This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
Hey guys, welcome to What's Trending. My name is David and I am here in St. Louis at the Hunter Engineering headquarters with Alan Hagerty. Alan, you are going to walk us through this really cool product. I came in here, I saw the HawkEye Elite X here. Tell us what that X is for.
Well, thank you, David. Pleasure to have you here in St. Louis and come spend a day with us. Yes, you're right. We have our brand new Hunter HawkEye Elite expandable alignment and configuration, and we're really excited about this new package because it's the same great time-tested true Hunter alignment technology with our quick grip adapters that mount onto the wheel easily and safely to give you that precise, repeatable alignment measurement. But this new package, the system, it's got tons of storage, more than we've had in any model before, and now it's upgradable to our ultimate ADAS calibration solution. So a customer can invest today in the best alignment technology, and then in the future, when they're ready to get into static ADAS calibrations, they can upgrade to our ultimate ADAS solution. This package also comes standard with our ADASLink scan tool, so the customers are able, with this solution now, able to do mechanical wheel alignments, steering system resets, and dynamic ADAS calibrations, all within the same bay and the same package. So they have lots and lots of capabilities, and they future-proof the business to be able to grow and expand as the industry evolves.
And I feel like this is a really cool product for tire shops in particular because, you know, there are a lot of shops out there who are interested in ADAS, but they're just not sure that it's the right time for them.
Yep.
I feel like with that upgrade capability, you know, they can invest today being maybe not quite ready, but you know, maybe tomorrow they are, and with a phone call they can get set up.
Absolutely, yeah. We all know that a new set of tires goes great with a new wheel alignment, right? And so tire shops are doing alignments all day, every day. It's a great value add, protect that investment. And so with this solution, the shop has invested in the best technology, and then as those forward-facing calibrations evolve, they'll be able to upgrade with our static ADAS calibration solution. But they'll also be able to do those forward-facing dynamic calibrations, we call, which involve a driving procedure, right? So you don't need to put any fixtures in the bay. You hook up the scan tool, you initiate the reset, and then you can take the car for a test drive to do the self-relearn. And that allows the shop to address the majority of what was going to be coming through their door now and have the peace of mind for the future.
Oh yeah, that's definitely a big deal. Now, you know, we talked about, hey, tire shops might not be ready for ADAS. Why do you think that is?
Well, it's probably not something they're doing today, so it's something they need to learn about, right? So it's awareness, learning the different types of calibration, dynamic versus static, and then what follows that is typically the training of having people that understand that and know how to go ahead and do those procedures safely to get that customer back out on the road. Another consideration that's important is space. What kind of calibrations am I going to be doing? What kind of space do those involve? And then lastly is the equipment, right? Do I have the equipment, the targets, if I'm doing static calibrations to be able to do that? So those are the four big things that you would want to think about as a tire shop when looking at ADAS. And Hunter, actually, by the way, we have an awesome new hub on our website that you can go and you can check all of that information out with site requirements, with different packages, depending on what you're looking for, so you can find the right solution for your business.
Let's say you're really interested in it, but you know, some of those things you address, for example, space. You know, I'm looking around my tire shop. I just don't know that I've got the space for this. What's the next step for me to decide definitively if I'm good to upgrade to the ADAS?
Yeah, so I think the first thing is look at the cars that are coming through your door today, right? The customers that you have, what ADAS calibrations are needed when you're doing wheel alignment, and then other ADAS calibrations and services that may be required. Let's say if you are pulling off bumpers or replacing mechanical components, and focus on that and what you need to be able to address. Typically, most customers will start by doing the dynamic calibrations, which don't require any additional space, right? And have been around for quite some time. So with a scan tool, you hook it up to the car, you can take it for a driving procedure, and the car will reset and relearn. And then the next layer of that is the static calibrations, where you need special tools, fixtures, monuments. Think of like a target or a radar plate that you have to set at a precise location, and the car will then relearn through that.
Now, of course, we're talking a lot about tire shops, but I'm sure that's not your only target customer here. What other customers do you think this particular product, the HawkEye Elite X, is going to be good for?
Great question. So any customer that's doing alignment, this is an excellent solution because it addresses the traditional mechanical needs, the steering system resets that many cars, almost half of the cars in the US require. For example, the Camry, like you see here, after an alignment, and then those dynamic ADAS calibrations. Really, if you're a full-on ADAS calibration center, then I'd recommend, instead of this, perhaps looking at our full ultimate ADAS solution, because you're in the ADAS space and you're doing every calibration around the vehicle, not just maybe forward-facing ones that are typically related to wheel alignment and what a tire or mechanical repair shop is doing today.
Okay. Let's say I have this machine. I haven't upgraded to ADAS yet, but hey, now's the day. What's the process like for that?
Great question. So you go ahead and get in touch with your local Hunter team, and they would come up with the upgrade path for you, and then we would have that delivered and shipped and install it for you and get you up and going. It's just that easy.
If I already have a HawkEye Elite system in my shop and I want to replace it with this, what would that look like? Does it involve using the same kind of footprint in my shop that the previous model already is using?
Yeah, so if you have a Hunter aligner or any other brand camera system aligner, this product here is just a drop-in replacement for that. It takes up the same amount of space, has the same capabilities, and is an easy upgrade to get you in the business and the latest technology now and have that peace of mind that we mentioned for the future.
Now I know this has a lot of capabilities that we haven't talked about. What am I missing here?
Great question. So we love the flat working top surface. You can store all your tools easily at hand. This big 32-inch monitor that you can rotate side to side for easy viewing and visibility. Also, we've got multiple drawers of storage for all your different accessories. If you want to store tools here, you can. It's got an integrated printer storage, so you have that documentation and printout. Again, multiple drawers here like you see. And then storage along the side for your adapters, brake pedal depressor, steering wheel holder, you name it. Also, it's mobile, it's on wheels, so you can roll this bay to bay. If you want to do alignments in multiple bays, you're free to do that. Or you need to move it out of the way to do a static forward-facing calibration, off you go.
No, you don't always see equipment like this on wheels. Where did that idea come from? Did that come from the shops asking for that kind of solution?
Absolutely, yeah. Majority of our sales are now the mobile option because it gives customers the ability, if they just want to clean underneath it, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Or if they need to move out of the way to do an ADAS calibration, or there's another job that requires them to move something through, it just gives the shop flexibility and options. And if they ever decide to move, then just like the toolbox, the equipment goes easily to the next location, maybe a bigger and better facility, right?
Fantastic. Yep. And so if we're talking about ADAS, right? What's the ROI argument to upgrade to ADAS? If you feel like you've got the room, you've got the right vehicles coming in, but you haven't pulled that trigger yet, what's the argument there?
I think a part of it is how many calibrations are you gonna do, and being able, our team, we have a website, a calculator, where we can look at that, mm-hmm. and what's the average number you're looking at, revenue per, and then you can factor in and based off the equipment investment what that would look like, and our local teams can work consultatively to help build that out and make sure that it's the right investment.
Sure, yeah. Hunter's got a great service team. You hear it all the time, so I'm sure that's not a problem. Excellent. Well, Alan, thank you so much for your time. This has been fantastic.
My pleasure.
Yep.
Thank you, David.
Absolutely. Take care.